Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to get volume. So as example, I will create new design. Okay, in here I will draw a rectangle for the first object. And I will create again the second object. Okay, you can click sketch mode. And I will draw rectangle. And also a circle in here. Use Pool Tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to get volume from this object, you can select and then you can click this icon, Mesh Properties. So it will be show for the volume from this object. And if you want to only see the volume in this hole, you can go to prepare and then we can use the extract volume. You can click here. I will use the edge selection like this. Select again in the bottom here. We can click OK. We get this volume and you can select, go to pool and then you can click at this icon to view the volume from this object. Okay, this is the volumes, and if you select this object, it will be show again for the volume. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to get volume. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.